today we're gonna make a really simple, just vegetable stir fry and noodle dish. Cool. So, Jazmyne, let me know what you have for your what you're gonna put in your stir fry today.
So I have some red peppers. Then I'm using some sweet sugar snap peas, some carrots. Then I'm gonna use some green onion, and then all kinds of seasonings like adobo, garlic powder, sesame seeds, lemon pepper seasoning, red pepper, Italian seasoning, chives, garlic.
You have the whole gamut over there.
Some ginger. And these are all some of my favorite seasonings to use, especially chives.
Yeah, I love chives too. And you prepared some boiling water before, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So just take that and just pour it over top of the noodles, and we're gonna set this aside while we get the vegetables ready to go. So one of the tips that I always let people know is that yes, this spoon right here is going to be super effective in getting some stuff done, which is, something that people don't think about. But a carrot can be peeled with a spoon, and a lot of times people don't think about that. So you can literally, instead of using a peeler, just take a spoon and like peel that first layer of skin off. And I personally just like to cut my snap peas in half. It's just a personal thing. If you like yours whole, you can just keep them whole. And then I'm gonna cut it in half again. Cut the half in half.
Yeah.
And then I smash it a little bit. And then I cut it into little strips. Oh, sorry for that. Like, this is my old knife.
Oh my goodness.
It's insane. Everything's prepped.
Yeah. Are you using broccoli? Yours looks great.
Yours does too. That looks really good. It was great meeting you, Jazmyne. Until next time.
Yep, definitely. Until next time. I enjoyed my today.